Here we have a tin of webbing paste. Today, any RAF recruit will spend many hours polishing their boots to a mirror-like finish. However, today's recruit has it easy, as in the past they would have to polish all their brass uniform buttons. They would also have to apply this paste to their webbing equipment consisting of rucksack, straps, belt and pouches.
Every man had a pride in his work and a pride in the service.
This paste cleans, protects and waterproofs the canvas equipment and was available in a number of colours including white, khaki and this RAF blue-grey. It was made by a number of companies under different trade names, but the most famous of these was Blanco. Like Hoover, Blanco became a verb, and the act of applying the paste became known as Blanco'ing. Anything that had been covered in the paste had been Blancoed. Just one of 100 reasons to visit the Royal Air Force Museum this summer.